Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the common error, the remote device or resource will not accept the connection in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, let us address the issue with a quick adjustment to your internet settings. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. In the dialog box that appears, type inetcorporal.cpl and then press Enter or click OK. This action will open the Internet Properties window. Navigate to the Connections tab. Within this tab, locate the Local Area Network LAN settings. Ensure that the checkbox for Automatically Detect Settings is selected, and then uncheck the box for Use a Proxy Server. Click OK to save these changes, then click Apply, and finally click OK again to close the Internet Properties window. For many users, these steps will resolve the connection error. However, if the problem persists, we will proceed with a network reset. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, look for and select the Network and Internet option from the left-hand sidebar. On the right pane, you will find an option for Advanced Network Settings. Click on this to expand it. Scroll down and select Network Reset. This will bring up a confirmation screen. Click on the Reset Now button. You will be prompted with a final confirmation. Click Yes to proceed with the network reset. This process will restart your network adapters and reset all network configurations to their default settings. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.